वेलकम टू तमाशा किड्स। चलो शुरू करें मस्ती और लर्निंग का सफर।
तमाशा किड्स, ये शॉर्ट कैसे लगी? आज हम ये बनाएंगे। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज इवान एंड टुडे यू आर वाचिंग मी ऑन तमाशा किड्स। I'm going to make something very exciting, which is a sword. So let's go. First, we take a sheet, fold it into half. We fold this corner to here. We fold this corner. We take Fevicol and then fold this, and then we take the scissor. And when we make it into a straight line, take this and then put this into this like this. So you make it like this. You take a sheet, keep this bit paper aside. You will need this, so don't do it. Keep it aside. Add this over here. Our sword is ready. This is how it looks after you make it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.